The word polymorphism means many forms, and in programming it refers to methods, functions, operators with the same name that can be executed on many objects or classes. There are two types of polymorphism: compile-time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Let's discuss one by one through coding demonstration. We will write a class, and within it we will take a method add that takes 3 parameters as input, of which 2 are optional, means if in case we don't give any value then it will take default value. Now here, as you can see, we have same method name but different parameters. This is one of the example of compile-time polymorphism. Next we will see the example of runtime polymorphism. We can use inheritance as well, but we took that example already in our previous tutorial of this playlist, so let's take new example. Here, we will take 3 separate classes, and in those 3 classes we will take one same named method, moving, that will print different output for different classes, which demonstrates runtime polymorphism. As you can see, for all 3 classes vehicle, car, and plane we had same method moving, and each moving method will print different output. Looks like we missed giving arguments while creating object. Cool. So different method prints different output. That's all for today. Hope I was able to make you understand the concepts easily. If so, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Leave your suggestions in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Bye.